Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hampton Inn Bowling Green, Kentucky. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, non-smoking rooms, free Wi-Fi and a free parking. Hampton Inn Bowling Green features a well-appointed business center and a seasonal outdoor pool. It is 5.4 miles from Railpark and Train Museum and a 10-minute drive from Lost River Cave. A continental breakfast buffet is served every morning at Hampton Inn Bowling Green, Kentucky. For snacks and refreshments, the hotel also provides vending machines on site. Rooms of Hampton Inn Bowling Green, Kentucky feature a seating area and white linens on the plush beds. Some have flat-screen TVs while all have free Wi-Fi access. Downtown Nashville is just a 1-hour drive away from Bowling Green. The fitness center is fitted with cardiovascular equipment. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.